Hi everybody, if you don't know me yet, my name is Isa and this is Media Makeup channel. Now let's start with the video. Alright, let's try to do Nina Park's lips on my thin lips. When I talk, my lips actually look a little bit bigger than when I'm totally silent. Look, I don't have a lot of upper lip, basically. So let's try to do some magic and let's see if I can do it, basically. I'm gonna actually start with Huda Beauty lip contour stain in the shade Nude. And I'm just gonna go a little bit over just to get a bit of pigment to my lips. And also, I'm all about longevity, especially. And then when they start to fade, you can clearly see that I overlined. And I can a little bit avoid that with the lip stain. So like that. After that, I'm gonna use the Nabla Cupid's Arrow Stylo. Basically, this one is in the shade Cappuccino 9. I think that the one is perfect. I don't have it anymore, but let's do it like that. And I'm just gonna use my finger to blend it out. And basically, I'm applying it only in my bottom lip in the center. So in the center of my bottom lip, and then I'm blending it out with my finger. Like that. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on my upper lip. Like that. And again, I'm just gonna use my finger to blend it out. And then I'm gonna use the Endless Cacao from Makeup Forever, and I'm just gonna overline my lips. But again, more so in the center part of my lips. Like that. Like that. That looks super nice. And then I'm gonna show you which brush I love to use. Okay, I think this brush is just perfect for that. This is from Real Techniques actually, and it's a lip smudge. It's super dense, and I'm just gonna go over that line and I'm just gonna smudge it out basically. Like that, and then you can reapply. And smudge it some more. I love it. Then I'm gonna apply a little bit of concealer in my outer corner. Then I'm gonna use a powder, loose powder, and you're gonna see why. So first, I'm gonna prolong the longevity of all of these lip liners. And then also, I just feel that everything becomes even more, you know, blended in and kind of diffused. And I think it's perfect for this look. And then you can go back in and reapply if you feel that you lost with the powder a bit of pigment. Then choose the lipstick. I'm gonna actually apply this one. This is from Dior. And I'm gonna basically apply it first on the back of my hand, like that. And then I'm choosing a small synthetic brush that it's a little bit fluffy, but not too much. This one. And then just apply it on your lips. Like that. So these lips are for sure not done quickly. It's a process. I'm again smudging the lip liner because it's also really nice to blend in the lipstick and also the lip liner. And that's it basically. My lips look huge, but because they are super dry, I'm gonna need to apply a bit of gloss. But for this Nina Park style, they usually stay this like soft matte, but I need a bit of oil on my lips, at least in the center of my lips. And this is it basically. I hope you enjoyed this quick little super simple lip tutorial. So if you are not subscribed yet, then please do so. It's completely free, but it helps me so much. Have a lovely day and see you in my next video. Bye.